Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar to start a meeting. I'm going to make mine for tomorrow, Wednesday. So you would go to Create, and then you would make a title, just as an event, Thursday, does not repeat. You can set a time. Click on here, I'll make mine for 5. Add a location, just home. And then you would add a guest by their email. And then you would press join with Google Meet. Yeah, that's how you start a Google Meet from Calendar. And then you can send invitation emails with Google. And then you have your Google Meet set up.